Hello traders, welcome to No Play Trading channel. Now today I'm going to be teaching you a strategy that you can use to get that money you've been dreaming for, guys. And this is, I'm not going to say it's a very simple strategy, but I'm going to show you the very simple way you can master it. Because I remember when I was learning the strategy that I use, it kind of took me a long time. But note that the strategy is very difficult to learn, but it's just the method that were used, or the methods I was using to master it weren't just cutting it. So I personally developed a simple way to you can master this strategy, guys, and it's very simple, guys. Just move with me. If you tall, well and good. If you short, grab you a ladder, guys. And you better grab you that pen and paper too, guys, because these are germs that I'm giving you, guys. And trust me, you master what I'm about to teach you. You can make money from anywhere, guys. Anywhere, trust me. So, I've developed these tapes. You can learn this strategy. Okay, so when I start by the way, you have to look at the trend of the markets, right? So as you can see, we're in the bullish market. The market is obviously in the is buying right now. We're in the bullish market. It's vice versa, guys. You can also use the same method in the bearish market. So we having five steps here, and I've I've described what's happening on each step. So step one, guys, step one, which is here. Step one, guys, what's happening here? Step one, you have to check if the point of interest or order block, don't get confused when I use point of interest or order block. It's the same thing, but just different names. Point of interest basically means POI basically means point of interest. So the first step, you gotta check your point of interest or order block or whatever you call it, guys. Step two, you gotta check if the price is broken. What I mean by broken is this, Okay, so if the price has closed above the previous high or low, depending on the wave that you're riding, if you're in the bullish market or bearish market. Right now we're in the bullish market, so above, obviously the price broke above. This is what it means to break this structure, right? Step three is inducement. Now, what do you call inducement? Inducement is the valid pullback, guys. So we have the minor inducement and the major inducement, but that's a story for another day. Let me just show you the steps so that you learn what you can learn what you can learn today. Then the next for another day. All right. So the inducement is actually the valid pullback. Now, how do you identify the valid pullback? That's another question, guys. That's a topic another day. But just make sure you master these steps that I'm teaching right now. All right. So step three, that's that. Now step four is the high, right? Confirmed high. Now I see a lot of people just marking the structure anyhow, lower high, lower high. Nah. You know what I mean? For the higher to be the high, for the high to be the high, something happens, guys. It has to be confirmed, obviously. For the lower to be the low, the low has to be confirmed. Now, in this case, confirmed high, right? Now, how does the high, how do you get to know that this high is confirmed? The high is always confirmed when the market comes and takes out the inducement, right? That's when the high gets confirmed, vice versa. Even the low, sorry, yeah. So it's the same method, vice versa, guys. Because right now we in the bullish market. So that is that. Uh, fifth method, guys. Fifth step. I'm sorry. You have to look for, price has to come back and mitigate step one. You know what I mean? Price has to come back and mitigate the point of interest, guys, the order block. Already the first step, I told you that this is the unmitigated order block, guys. Right? Unmitigated. So price has to come back in this zone has to come back to this zone to mitigate it. You know what I mean? This is very simple, guys. Trust me, guys. I'm gonna show you the example after I'm done explaining what I'm explaining right now, so that you see what I'm talking about. This is very easy, guys. Guys, trust me. I know. A lot of people, a lot of you people are gonna see this, but I think like I'm just talking from guys. Guys, the algorithms are set. This is proven data. Trust me. The more you practice this, you're gonna come back and thank me later. Trust me. This is very nice and very simple to learn. Right? Let me just remove these things. Whew. I just wish that when I started trading, I had I had somebody dropping this type of gems on me, because it was a struggle when I started trading, guys. It was a struggle. I had no strategy. I was hopping from one strategy to another strategy and kept on failing. But come on, guys, this is very simple. After you learn this, you're gonna thank me later. All right, and just as we're moving, don't forget to like the button and subscribe. So I'm sorry, subscribe if you haven't. I'm sorry. So okay. So step one, unmitigated. Step two, break of structure. Step three, inducement. How do you look for induce? How do you know that this is inducement? The valid pullback, guys. All right. Step four, confirmed high. Step five, mitigation process. Right. Now, when price comes back here, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you're waiting. This is the moment you were waiting for. And I'm sure you've heard people saying, no, in trading, you gotta have patience. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, you gotta have patience. But when price gets to your point of interest, this is a moment traders wait for. Have you ever heard of sniper entry? Anyway, there are plenty of entries, guys. Let me not dive into that, but there are plenty of entries that you can use to enter the market. But once price gets in here, that's when you can. It's a place you can buy from. Vice versa, if you're in the bearish market, you can sell from. All right. So let me give you an example now. Right. This is an example now. Let's say, okay, let me even remove these things over here so that you don't see what's happening, right? Okay, so we can go from step to step. Okay, I know it's gonna take some time for you to master, but the more you do it, the more it's gonna make sense. Okay, so what do you look for? What's the first step? The first step is obviously the the point of interest, the order block, which is unmitigated here, and I've marked it, right? That was step one, right? Sorry, just a minute, just a minute. Okay, this is step 1. Now what is step 2, guys? Step 2 is the break of structure. Now let's see if the structure is broken over here. Step 2 is the break of structure. Now is the structure broken? Yes. How do you know that this structure is broken? Because this price closed above the previous high. Very simple, guys. Just move with me. It might not make sense right now, but it's gonna make sense later, right? So this is the break of structure, guys. This is step 2. Step 2, guys, break of structure. Break of structure. Break of structure. Now what is step 3? Step 3 is what I said. Step 3 is the valid pullback. Now where is the valid pullback over here in this case? The valid pullback. Do we have it? Yes, in this case the valid pullback is this. Right? Step 4 is the confirmed high. Now in this case is our high. This is our high actually, right? Just in case you don't know. Now in this case, is this high confirmed? Is it? Yes. And how do you know that it's confirmed? Because price came back and took out the what? The inducement, guys. That's what made this high confirmed over there. So that's step 4. That's step 4. That's step 4. If you don't have a pen and paper, guys, if you don't have the pen and paper, you gotta have maybe this video somewhere saved, or you gotta screenshot this or something, because this is very simple, guys. This is very simple. Trust me. Okay, so what were we? That was step 4, right? Now where's step 5, guys? What did we say step 5 is? Step 5 is the mitigation process, right? Price has to come back to step 1. Now, did it come back? Guys, hey guys, this is a please, I'm begging you guys, go through what I'm teaching you right now. This is step 5, right? Step 5 is the mitigation process. Now, where's the mitigation process? Let me put the number for you. Okay, so mitigation processes is here. And after the price mitigated, what happened? What happened? Price shot up like no man's business. You see? It's very simple, guys. This is very simple, guys. You gotta learn this. Just save this video, share it to have a to one aspiring trader. This is very simple, guys. Trust me. This is like a 1 to 6 if you entered this trade. You know what you know what I mean? This is very simple, guys. Simple. What happened? Price did what? Price showed up, man. But by the way, I gotta update my trading view. I'm sorry, guys, for the noise that's happening in the background. You know what I mean, kids. But hey, man, like what happened? Price showed up. You know what I mean? And this is supposed to be your target over here. It's supposed to be your target. And obviously, what did price do? What did price do? Price eat the TP. And I took this trade. This was like last week. It happened on Monday. I entered on Monday, and because price started ranging and stuff, started ranging here, but if you don't have patience, That's why patience is very important in trading. If you don't have patience, you have been out of this trade. But this like took 2 days to move, but this happened in just hours, in a day, and price was TP was hit, guys. So guys, this is very simple. Uh, you gotta go through this video. What I'm just from explaining. This is very simple, guys. I'm begging you to go through this method, guys. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Easy. Then you can make money from anywhere, guys. Trust me. I know some of you are gonna overlook this video and go to something else, and that's good because that's cool. I, I have nothing against that because there are thousands of strategy that works, guys. But I'm just teaching you what works for me and what works for a lot of people out there, guys. This same method, and I've developed this method that's very easy, that you can use to master, guys. You can use to master this same strategy that I use, guys. Hey guys, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. If you want to see more of videos like this, you can comment and share the video. Also comment about stuff you want me to talk about, stuff you want me to teach you. Ciao.